Hello everybody. This is simple session, and in this short session, I'm going to explain how to automate our data using the VLOOKUP formula. Because we generally use our sheets as a calculators in our daily life, but instead of that, we can make it very dynamic using various formulas. So I'm going to use the very basic VLOOKUP formula here instead of the advanced version to show you how we can automate our sheets with VLOOKUP formula. So let's go ahead. We have our product master table here. This is acting like the database, and then we have a simple dashboard type table here. Okay, so here we are going to get the category of whatever product is there in this cell, laptop or computer or printer or whatever it is. Then we will get the cost price, and we will get the sales price. So we'll do it very simple here. So we'll use the VLOOKUP formula. VLOOKUP, as you know, it pulls the data from the database. Okay, so our product master table acts as a database, and this is like the dashboard sheet, whatever we have. So here, the VLOOKUP value, first of all, it is asking for the lookup value. So it is the laptop here. So I am going to select it and put a comma. And what Excel or what VLOOKUP formula does is, it looks for this laptop in this table array. This is the database table array. So the second parameter which we need to provide is this table. The whole table, whatever the table array is there, it is the whole table, and we need to lock it. So what Excel does is that it will look for laptop in the leftmost column. Leftmost column belongs to the product name. So it will look for that laptop there. And then what is it asking? It is asking for the column index number. So the column index number is whatever data we need and from which column. So here we need the category information, that is electronics. So I need to provide the column number here. So my column number in this database is column number 2. Okay, so I'll put 2. Then I will go with 0, which is nothing but the exact match, or you can write false also. So I'm going to close the bracket. So then here, category information has Excel has pulled us the category information from the database. Then we will go for the cost price here is equal to VLOOKUP. Again, we are going to use the VLOOKUP formula. And then it is asking for the lookup value. Again, we are going to search for laptop in the database. So this is our database. Always select the whole table, and the best practice is not to include the column headers into your selection. Okay, that is the best practice. You may get the correct result, but still the best practice is not to include the column headers in your table array selection, and always lock it using the F4 and then put a comma. Then it's asking for the column index number. So it is cost price. Okay, what we need is the cost price, and that is column 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. And then we will put the exact match and close the bracket and then enter. So we got the cost price also. So let's go with the sale price now. Is equal to VLOOKUP. Sorry, is equal to VLOOKUP. Then it's asking for the lookup value, which is nothing but the laptop. Then comma. Then it's asking for the table array. We'll go to the product master table. We will select the whole table array, excluding the column headers. Then we will press F4 to lock our database table array. Then it's asking for the column index number. That is the sales price, which is 1, 2, 3, column number 3. And then we will go with the 0, which is exact match. And what is approximate match? Very soon I am going to bring a video recording the approximate match. Okay, now I will press enter. Then so we got the sales price here, cost price here, and the category information. So now let's go ahead with profit. Okay, profit is nothing but sales price minus cost price. So I will just take this and then minus, then 38,000. So this is my profit. So this is only one single row dashboard. Okay. And then here you can make the drop down list of all the products you have here. Okay. And whenever you change the product here, this all information will get automatically updated. And this is a simple automation of our data. Okay. You can use very, very simple formulas to automate your data. For example, if I write here another product name like mouse, if I write mouse here, see, it is going to provide us all the information regarding the mouse. So this is known as the automation of our data. Automation of our data. So this is very, very simple trick I have employed here. You can, uh, uh, so in Excel, we have hundreds of similar tricks which you can use to automate your daily data, daily work. And because of the AI, most of the work has become very, very easier for us nowadays. That's it for now. So I will come up with another video with another formula very soon. So this is very, very basic VLOOKUP formula. Never forget to learn these formulas and use it in your day, in your daily life to get the best of results and the automated work. Thanks.